White. White. Where's our car? This one? Ah, the other one. Ito. No, this one. That's our car. Later. You remove the plastic na?
Later.
You see? Oh. Yay! That's your car. Okay. Let me see.
documentation, sa unit, sa service. Ano po? UBC. So first po, ito po yung ating mga hotline. Victoria at yung mga videos. Ano sir? Meron po tayong 3 ways to open this po. First po ay yung ito sa usual na ginagamit natin, lock and unlock ng unit. And then, meron po tayong secret key if in case manual key kapag ka po hindi gumagana. Kapag papapalitan po ng battery, kailangan po sa dealer kasi minsan po nasisira ang battery kapag ka sa mga
DIY.
yes po. And then, advisable din po na gamitin ang key alternate. Kasi po minsan po ay nagkakaroon ng kalawang po ang battery kapag ka hindi gumagana. And then, meron po itong engine start. So, pwede po nating lock, unlock, lock, and then i-hold lang po natin ito pag i-start na po ang unit. So, as you can see, ayun po ay for cool down ng unit para po lumamig ang aircon, ganyan. So, ang checking po natin lagi dito. Kasi kapag dito ma'am, automatic
Bubukas ulit.
mag-o-open siya. Kasi meron po siyang chip na ano. And then hindi na po natin kailangan mag-lagay ng alarm kasi meron po siyang immobilizer security alarm. So mag-a-alarm lang po ito sir kapag intended or may force. So hindi siya yung kunwari po nasanggi lang na ano ay alarm na agad. So hindi po ganun.
Hindi ko sensitive daan.
Yes, hindi siya sensitive. Sharp din ang kena po. Tapos ito po, yung door
Yeah,
visor
wait
po
lang, ha?
na ikabit. Ito po yung inyong mud guard. din po
Sige.
nakikabit Kasi hindi po
Papaano ko na lang.
And then, yun pong ating sensor. Nilagay na po. Ito ma'am, sir, pagka po gusto nyo pong
Pwede tanggalin, ha?
Yes, pwede po. Removable. Yun po ang kagandahan nito. Kasi ito po ay pwedeng i-remove. Tapos pag i-UUP nyo sir ang upuan, ito naman po ay flat folded. So kapag ka siya ay naka-fold, maganda kasi mas madami kayong malalagay. Ito sir, gagawin nyo yun. Pipilitin nyo lang kasi itutulak lang pa. Tapos pag akyat naman, ganun lang. Tayo sir sa...
This one's wet.
It's okay. Don't touch it. Sit down now to me.
So, ayun po. Pag yan, sir, since tayo po ay inopen po natin ang unit na gamit ang remote engine, pag ito, sir, ay inibo mo, automatic mamamatay. So, ang gagawin lang natin, sir, ay, yes po, full brake and then push start. Yun. So, yun naman po ay, ang intention lang, ang ano lang po kasi ng remote engine ay for cool down ng unit. Pag nasa mainit na lugar, so para po lumamig. Tapos, and then sa Bluetooth naman, sir, kailangan po, bago po kayo in motion, bago kayo umandar, kailangan po i-connect nyo na. So, hindi na po siya magko-connect kapag ka umaandar na. So, pwede na po kayo mag-connect. Tapos, ito po yung mga tweeters. Lahat naman po ay gumagana. Ari pa, tatanggalin na. Hindi pa.
Paano ba?
I want to move it.
Ano na lang sa'yo, mamaya.
Yan, meron din naman po. Basta sir, pag may concern po kayo, i-message nyo na lang po. Ito naman po yung sa ating cruise. Pag magseset kayo, sir, ito lang po pipindutin nyo. Then,
Lalabas
nakaano
yan,
na
no?
po siya. Then, i-reset nyo lang po. Yan.
Ito.
Opo.
Up, down.
Kita nyo po, may cannot set cruise kasi tayo po ay naka-park. So, while in motion po,
Ma-motion lang.
yan, pwede nyo po siyang
Saka lang siya
So, ito naka-default na rin to.
Yes po. Yan.
Ito, distant.
Opo, yan. Distant. Ito naman po, kailangan, yan, kagaya po niya na pinindot natin, meron na pong lumabas. Ibig sabihin, naka-engage siya. So, pwede nyo pong i-off. Lalabas naman po dyan yung icon kapag ka naka-engage ang ating Honda Sensing. Ang automatic lang dyan sir, ay yung low at saka high beam. Yung pagka-auto high beam. So, kapag nakita na detect ng ano natin na maliwanag, automatic maglo-low beam siya. So, maiiwasan yung magagalit sa inyo.
yung mga kasalubong.
Kasi, ano ang ilaw. So, yun lang naman po. If may questions kayo, i-message nyo lang po ako.
Okay.
Anytime, ma'am.
Okay.
Basta po may questions kayo regarding sa unit. Hindi po natatapos ang ating communication dahil sa, ano na po, ang
Madali naman.
Unit na release.
Apo, may manual naman sir. Di kung kayo po ay may ano, pwede nyo pong basahin.
Okay.
So yun
Explore
lang
na
naman
lang.
po. Apo, i-explore na lang. May internet din naman po. Ano.
Yeah, we got our new car and we're going home. We are going home now. We are here in Honda, Batangas. Say hi. Are you happy?
I'm so happy there's a vent. I'm so happy there's a vent because I can
Yes. Going home. And
First stop.
first stop, syempre, ang pinakamahal.
This car is named Honda, and then the color of it is Sonic Gray.
The name of this is Sonic.
The name of this is Sonic or Baby. I named it Baby, and then Mommy called it Sonic. And then my favorite tree is broccoli tree. Going home from Batangas, and we got our car now, and that is the one who's driving. You can see me there. Okay. This is the vent, and then the chair. And then the door. And then this is wait,
It's too cold
okay. It's too cold at the back, but you can adjust it. Wait, here. And there. And also you can adjust this. Yan. Yan. And then that's the power outlet. Then I'm gonna show you me. Hello. Oopsies. Ah. Okay, don't move. And then that's the light. No sunroof. And then mirrors. Not at the back. And then also seat belt. Wait, it has a lock now here, but this one it doesn't have because of this. The small one is in there.
Buti na lang pala. Naiwan yung invoice.
And then that's the,
Kasi yung car cover.
wait, what do you call that TV? Small TV or tablet. And then aircon at the side in the front. Like this. Wait, that's the aircon. Okay, that's mommy. And then daddy. Mommy sick. Sabi niya. Yan, yung book na yan.
Mommy's pregnant.
Oh no.
No, Dad, mommy's sick. And then that's daddy pranking. Always pranking.
I'm Frankie.
Yes. He told me there was a ghost in the office, but it wasn't. And then you can adjust the seat. Wait, I zoomed it.
I'll show. Video.
There. Yep. And then also in daddy's. And then mirror over there. Over that one. That one. That one. Where daddy is.
Sunset.
Ma, what do you call this ulit? This one?
Headrest.
Headrest. Both? You can...
Tagal tayo eh. Sumilip tayo.
Tas tagal tayo, malaya tayo. There is the ways. I don't know what are those emojis in the map. Wait, we're in Batangas. There. Say hello, mommy. Show your face. Bye. Bleh. Okay, we're going home. That is outside. So I'll video later. Okay, wait. Just calm down. We're going again. Okay, you see my foot there. Okay, mommy has the... You'll see broccoli tree again later. That's the broccoli tree.
Nagbibideo ko na naman. Hapos ako.
Cruise control engage. Now set at 70 kph. Now I'm not stepping on anything.
You are stepping on it.
Trying out the Honda Sensing.
Ayan. It's working. Ayan, nagbe-braking na harap. Oh, nagbe-brake din tayo. But we're also getting slower. It's nice.
Very helpful. Syempre, assist lang sa steering wheel.